Hey kids, how are you all? I'm your Branti ma'am and I'm back again with nice activities for you. So, are you all ready children? So children, for today's activity, we will need white paper, two colored papers like this. You can take any color of your choice, sponge and paint brushes and watercolors, and also a small cutting of a newspaper. So kids, now I will show you what we are going to do using all these things. Take one white paper, fold it into half to make a card. Kids, do you know on 21st of June we are having Father's Day? Father's Day is celebrated on the third Sunday of June every year. And on the next Sunday, that is on 21st June, it's Father's Day. So you can make this card and gift it to your papa. Now, take one any color shape like this, cone shape from any colored paper. Apply Fevicol. And paste it like this on the paper. Can you see children? Yes. Now take the sponge that we had made into a roll like this. Dip it in any color. Here I am taking orange color. Just first take the print on one side and see. Yes. Now take a print like this on the paper. Can you see? It's looking like flowers. And yeah. Okay children. Now one more. I will take a sponge that I have cut into a shape of a leaf and I'll dip it in green color like this. Now I'll dip it in green color and make imprint of leaves like this. Yes, the space. Again you can dip it and make few leaves like this. Can you see children? Now I'll take one earbud and I'll be dipping it in yellow color. You can take any color like this. And now I'll just put small dots in between the flowers and leaves like this. Isn't it looking beautiful kids? See. Like this. A beautiful bouquet of flowers is ready. If you want, you can make some designs like this using the same color and same Q-tip so that your bouquet cone also looks attractive. See kids, so easy it is, right? If you want, you can take another color and just put few more dots. And here, your card for your daddy is ready. We are going to make one more card using sponge. Kids, can you see I have cut a nice flower from a sponge like this, and then I have taken one sponge. I'll just show you. One sponge like this, and then I have folded it from between middle, and then I have put one rubber band and made one shape like this. Can you see? Now I'll show you what I'm going to do. First we'll dip this flower in red color. You can directly dip or you can apply watercolor using paintbrush. The sponge will soak the watercolor like this, and then we'll press it on the paper to get the print of flower. Can you see? Now put the flower like this and just press it. Pick it up slowly. Again press it over here. You'll have to dip it only once. We'll get 2-3 prints like this. Yes. And one more. Can you see, kids? Yes. Beautiful flowers. Now the same green color leaf that we had used, again I'll dip it in green paint and we'll make a prints of leaves like this. Can you see, kids? Like this. Just press it and you'll get the nice leaf print. Nice bouquet of flowers we have made, or a bunch of flowers you can say. Again we'll dip the Q-tip in yellow color and make some pollens like this so that a card looks beautiful. Okay, kids, now I'll take one brush and just make a stem of this flower. Just a single stroke like this. Can you see? Now what we are going to do is, we can also put one dot in the center like this so that our flowers look beautiful. Now the sponge that we had folded like this, we are going to apply paint on this like this. I'll apply blue colors in the corner. Apply the watercolor properly. The sponge should soak the watercolor in it. Can you see, kids? Like this. On both the sides, edge of the flower, on the edge of the sponge, sorry, apply blue color. Then I'll be taking yellow color and apply in the center like this. Can you see, children? First I have taken blue color and now I am applying yellow color on the sponge. Yes, we'll apply yellow color like this. Now see the magic. Are you ready for it? Yes, kids? Okay. Now I'll just put the sponge like this and press it properly. Can you see? One more near the flowers. Press it properly from both the sides. And we got the print of butterflies. Now I'll dip this paint in blue color and simply will make the body of a butterfly like this and a small circle. Same way here. Make the body of the butterfly and a small circle. We can take yellow color to make the antenna of the butterfly like this. Isn't it beautiful, kids? Yes. Then you can take one earbud, dip it in red color and put dots in the butterfly like this to make it more colorful. And your beautiful card is ready. Kids, did you enjoy these activities? You saw so many activities can be done using earbuds and sponge and newspaper. So you can make beautiful cards for your papa and gift it to him on Father's Day. I'll be back again with more activities. Till then, bye-bye and have a nice day.